Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the property in Google Earth and placing a placemark at the main entrance. Use the ruler to trace the plot perimeter so you have exact distances and area. This is vital because Vastu depends on proportions and directions. Once done, enable the north arrow and check declination so your orientation is true, not magnetic. Make sure to save a KMZ snapshot of this view so you can return to the exact frame for analysis and measurements. Next, you rotate and align the map precisely to true north, then establish the site center using the polygon centroid. This allows you to divide the plot into 8 Vastu sectors. Use the ruler to draw radial lines at the correct bearings and label each sector with its Vastu name. While you mark sectors, note external influences, roads, water bodies, slope, and tall structures, because each affects energy flow. Once you finish mapping, export the sector polygons so you can reference them while planning room placements. Finally, you place the building footprint and align key rooms to the appropriate Vastu sectors, entrance, kitchen, puja, master bedroom, and adjust positions for sunlight and slope using the time slider and elevation profile. This visual check explains why certain rooms work better in specific sectors. Light, wind, and slope create measurable effects. If something seems off, reopen your saved KMZ and verify the north alignment and declination. Resave after correction. This single fix resolves most mapping discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.